This is a poem and art by Merina Rael of Vancouver Island, Victoria, BC. Our Mother Earth, who art in turmoil, hallowed be thy body. Pollution descending with change in the quaking, thy will be done unto us on earth as it is in heaven, awakening through the chaos, giving us fresh air and food of healing substance as we learn to live in harmony with you and our soul. Forgive us for your rape, trespassing against your nature of love, peace, and harmony. And forgive those of manipulation of power, status, underground square tables of darkness. Lead us into violence, nonviolence, temptation into war, over secret hidden agendas, leaving us blind, lame, and homeless in places of poverty, body, mind, and soul. Mother Earth deserted, and our brothers and sisters of the rainbow, lead us not into temptation that money for power's sake are our only gods, the swords of delusion, darkness, and death. But deliver us from our own denials of not wanting to look at the truth of our own beings, living in disharmony with you, our Mother, who nurtures us through her ozone breasts of love. Deliver us through the quaking of earth-shaking realities, from our pollution and floods, where we are waking up to the sun of responsibility, to earth-shattering truths of transformation, living again in harmony with you. Thy kingdom shall come with earth-quaking messages, bringing peace to power, light to darkness. Your power shall reign again through the white buffalo of peace. As Noah prepares his ship, the planet of the goddess returns. On the eve of time, a Mayan goodbye to polarity shifts, back to harmony, peace, and love. Eden resurrected from the dead. At the eve of time, bliss returns, Mother Earth in your arms of love. And thank you for watching.